I'm Patrick, I'm 41. I work in IT for the United States Marine Corps.
My name's Amber, I'm 41, and I'm an executive assistant for a nonprofit organization.
We currently have 3 children. So we were really settled into our home in Virginia. We were pretty confident that was gonna be my last assignment in the military. I just got orders to a new assignment in Cincinnati.
And we've had 9 military moves, and so we're really hoping that we can make this a long-term thing and not move again. If we don't find a house in a week, we're gonna be renting all summer with our 3 kids, 2 dogs and 2 cats, which nobody wants to do.
I'm comfortable going a little bit higher, up to 650, 675, if it's move-in ready. I just wanna move in to a house that's finished.
I am most comfortable with a price range of $525, $550.
If it was move-in ready or recently renovated, that would really set my mind at ease about moving downtown. I would like it contemporary. Those newer houses are gonna be more aligned with what we want in terms of the open floor plan, larger kitchens, whereas older houses are just, frankly, not built that way.
Yeah, but sometimes these newer builds, these modern contemporary homes, they lack character, in my opinion. I love the character and charm in an old house, the beautiful wood details on the porches. That's the type of style that I'm looking for.
I know, but those historical homes, unless you're buying a mansion, are often a lot smaller than modern people are used to.
Yeah, and we are gonna need a lot of space. You know, at least 3 bedrooms, if not 4.
I think 3 bedrooms will be fine. I grew up in sharing a bedroom with my brother, and it was actually not fine, but we survived.
Emmeline and Jovi are not going to share.
I just worry the inventory won't be there where we want to live for 4 bedrooms.
Hey guys, come on
you?
in. The Cincinnati market has been extremely challenging just because it moves so quickly. The low inventory just keeps getting lower and lower. We're looking for a needle in the haystack. The part that's rare about this house is that it is a single family home close to downtown, and it's also new construction and everything is updated and ready to move in.
Beautiful island right there. And
I have a 10-foot island in our house now, which I love, so this trumps that. This is an awesome
definitely-
island. I love to have a lot of seating for the kids to be here while I'm cooking or Patrick's cooking. I love the color of the floors.
I know.
It's a
It's kind of
subdued
like a blonde
white.
wood, really pretty. The appliances are nice, Patrick.
Well, everything's new and they don't have to fix anything, so that's
Yeah,
good.
and you've been wanting a chef's kitchen with gas
Yeah.
range.
The island in this house is ridiculous. I think it's like 20 feet. I like that this house is move-in ready. I like a little bit cleaner design. It has everything I like.
You've got a half bath down here.
Oh, nice.
Oh, not bad. Oh, a little outdoor space, all we need.
Yeah, you could put a grill out here, a little bit of grass for the dogs to go to the bathroom, which is nice,
Yes.
but not too much for you to mow.
No, I don't like doing yard work. Well, I mean, with the snow, it's nice to have an actual garage.
Uh-oh, carpet.
What's wrong with carpet? It's soft.
Well, I think carpet on the stairs is actually dangerous. I slip down carpeted stairs all the time.
Well, when it's cold, then, you know, it adds a layer of warmth. This is considered the 3rd bedroom in the home,
This is a 3rd bedroom. There's not gonna be room for the kids upstairs then.
and it does have an ensuite bath here.
That's nice.
No carpet.
You do have it
Here
in
we
the
go.
bedrooms. Here's our primary bedroom.
It's a little
Small.
small for a primary.
A good sized closet.
Oh, that's the big closet.
Tons of storage.
So check out this primary bathroom. Totally updated, very modern.
Wow.
That's nice.
This is really nice. It has the high ceilings. It has a lot of really great light.
So Floors lined up a property with a lot of square footage, but bad news for Patrick.
It was built in 1847.
This is definitely non-traditional entryway, but it's kind of funky. Hey! How are you?
Come on in.
This is a little strange. Is this the only entrance coming in through it's kind of like a storefront?
So there's another door right adjacent to the storefront that you can use. It's actually really beautiful.
So what is this room?
What is this?
So this was used as a commercial property for 21 years.
Oh,
so
wow.
This could be a really good office space for you guys since you work from home.
That's true.
This is actually a really large space for an office.
So they have this set up as a bedroom. Yeah, so originally it was probably a formal living room, so it's pretty versatile.
Love this amazing fireplace.
This is the kitchen. Got stainless steel appliances. They replaced the countertops.
Okay.
A lot smaller.
It's really small. And there's no island. I live my life on an island. I fold the laundry, the kids, science stuff. So this kitchen would probably be a big project.
There's some challenges in this kitchen for sure.
What about expanding it into another space or maybe relocating it?
I mean, how much would something like that cost, do you think?
It would be pretty pricey. I mean, you're talking probably $30,000, $50,000 depending on where you want to move it.
180-year-old house.
I mean,
What could go wrong?
So
Oh
check
my
this out.
gosh.
I mean, you feel like you're in the middle
It's
of
like its
a
own
European
oasis.
city.
It is. It's like an Italian terrace.
It does. The only thing is the parking.
And
No parking?
Just street parking.
we have 3 kids,
And one
which
of them is
means
a baby.
to work.
Well, I grew up parallel parking.
Oh,
I'm a bit of an expert at it.
Oh, are
I'm
you?
not really that stressed about the parking situation. And this would be a good kids' room, except there's a door to the other room.
Right here is a room almost identical to this one that you could use for one of the other kids. There's actually a bathroom right over here.
oh, well, that would be really convenient.
Let's check out the primary bedroom.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6.
6 doors in this room.
6 doors in one room.
Wow. So this is the primary?
This is the primary.
Where do you put the bed?
We could take the mantle off and put the bed right there.
Oh,
For
that's really
shame.
What?
We are not taking any mantles off or getting rid of a beautiful piece of history like that.
This house has like 8 fireplaces. Like it could have one less, it would probably be okay.
So now they're seeing a place with history, and it has a lower price, plus parking.
This has all the character and all the charm. It's like walking into a book.
The yard's not too big.
No.
I don't feel good about lawn maintenance.
Look at this cute little nail salon. I know it's not like the fresh new build that you were hoping for, but it's got so much charm. And Emmeline would just adore how adorable this little house is.
Hey, you two.
Hey,
How
Flor.
are you?
This house is so cute.
Isn't it adorable? It's the Tudor style,
Oh,
just like
I
you
agree.
wanted.
It's not my style, but it's got charm.
Look at this. It's like an old-fashioned telephone box. This is so cute.
This is where you sit and take your calls.
I'm going to
on
sit
the
and take
phone.
all my
mail.
calls here.
This is the main living room.
Okay.
Hardwood floors.
It looks like original hardwood floors,
The
too.
floors are in good condition.
I'll take you over to a great home office.
So we definitely have an office and 4 bedrooms. It's not like flex
My
space.
gosh, this space is really nice. And there's a powder room.
There's the bathroom.
I actually don't need to see you all day long.
We can wheel that cocktail cart in here, and then all
Yes.
set.
Please wheel in the cocktail cart.
So if we go past the living area here, we have our dining room.
It makes it feel a little bit bigger in here with the tray ceiling.
But we're not really
Exactly.
like formal dining room people.
We're not,
But
but
I feel like they
You
don't get a lot
could
of
use
use.
it maybe as like the play area for the
That's
girls.
true, for
a
the
play
baby.
area or an art space. This is not the island of my dreams, but it is an
But
island.
it's an island.
Our kitchen now has so much storage. Like, I don't know where we put all that stuff. Like,
Well, remember that you said that you didn't really need the
That's
formal
true.
dining room.
Yeah.
Opening up this wall
Yeah.
and making a bigger entry and then
That's
putting
true.
that island from...
That's a great
That's
idea,
true.
but
Yeah.
a project for Patrick. This is beautiful.
I don't know. It looks like a lot to take care of.
The dogs would be so happy here.
They
There's
would.
plenty of space for a play structure.
Okay, so basement.
All right. So you've got this finished space here
It'd be a great rec area for the girls.
Yeah.
and a full bathroom.
A full
A
bath.
full
So
bath.
we really could. Your parents could be comfortable down here if we had a pull-out bed.
Yeah.
And it's
Another
not one of
charming
those
fixture.
dungeon-y bathrooms. It's actually a full bathroom.
Hardly any dungeon vibes.
Look at this adorable little window.
I know, it's so cute. So all of these bedrooms have the hardwood floors exposed.
Perfect.
Yes.
It's a little tight for a bedroom, but I mean, for kids, it's.
This
It'll
would be
work.
fine for one of the kids. And there's 3 bedrooms upstairs.
There are 3 bedrooms, and then there's an attic space that's also finished.
Oh
There's
my
an attic
gosh.
space.
Primary bedroom.
All right.
This is
another
another
one of
good
the
sized
bed-
room.
Yeah,
It's a
this
little
is
bigger.
a great
It's nice.
size.
I got like the windows and the light is nice.
Well, let's check out the hall bathroom. This is a soaker tub.
It's
it does
short,
have the jets.
deep, you
It
know.
qualifies as a soaker tub. Is this the only bathroom up here?
This is the only bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a lot of ladies in one bathroom to share with Patrick.
I guess I'll be in the basement.
I guess you will be in the basement.
With their 1-week deadline looming, they have to make a choice.
We can't go back to Virginia without choosing a house.
Hey guys, look who's up from her nap.
We bought the big house downtown, and we feel really excited about it,
A little bit nervous.
but mostly excited.
It was listed for $629, and we paid $629.
$629,000.
Can you pour this into here?
We've been living in the house for about 3 weeks. It's everything we wanted for the kids with living the city lifestyle downtown.
I love that you can walk to anything.
The biggest challenge in our home search was trying to balance all of our desires. It wasn't really a perfect house, but I think there's a perfect house for us. The location and the size was what really put this one over the top.
Finding a renovated, move-in ready historic home in this neighborhood really pushes the price outside of affordability for us. So this was kind of the best of both worlds. It gives a lot of space. It was a good price point. It's the perfect location. It's a house that we won't grow out of. Thinking, about the kids and not wanting to move again after you retire with the Marine Corps, this house made the most sense.
What do you think about each of your bedrooms?
Oh, I love mine. I absolutely love mine. It's so modern.
This one is not in brand new, move-in ready condition.
You compromised a lot on that.
You got your soaker tub.
I got my soaker tub. I didn't get any parking, but luckily I've been able to find street parking pretty easily. I got a great home office to work from, and we have more than enough space.
Oh my gosh, what a place.
Love that.
The first big project that we're doing is a kitchen renovation. This is the dining room right now, but we're actually going to be converting this to our kitchen, which is really exciting.